This is the green list. Number 1, rock. I used a rock as a doorstop so the door wouldn't blow closed. Number 2 is soap. Please wash your hands with soap as you walk in the classroom. Number 3 is dots. The boy appeared to be covered in dots because he had the chicken pox. Number 4 is road. The road was closed because of construction. Number 5 is smoke. The smoke from the campfire burned my eyes. Number 6 is hose. I used a hose to water the plants in the garden. Number 7 is stop. I will stop my car at the red light. Number 8 is float. A boat can float on the water. Number 9 is home. Let's have a party when Dad gets home. Number 10 is oak. The squirrel climbed the oak tree.